listen to music, and make money all at the same time. I mean, who doesn't like music? I, for one, I love listening to music online and jamming. Yeah. I'm going to show you how to set up your Spotify account so you listen to music, make money from music, and you know what? Anybody can do this. You can also do this as much as you want on a computer or your cell phone. And you know what? It's free. Now, I know the title of the video says you can earn, $246 plus, but you can earn way more than that. Listen, you're going to want to stay to the very end of this video and follow me very closely because I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you something else that's going to skyrocket your money. First, do me a favor, subscribe, ring the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I have a video about making money online, affiliate marketing, anything like that, crypto, you name it. You're going to make money with my channel. So just subscribe, okay? Okay, let's get into the video. Welcome to Spotify. This is where all the magic is going to happen. We can get our jam on. Yeah. All right, I'm going to show you in this video how to sign up. Also, you know what? If you have a cell phone or you have a computer, you're good to go. We're still going to be able to make money online with Spotify. If you are curious of what you can download Spotify on, you can simply do the Apple Store. You can do Google Play. You can get it from Microsoft, Amazon App Store. Spotify is kind of popular. For your desktop computer, you're going to want to go to open.spotify.com. And then it's real easy. You can click on, if you already have an account, go to login. If not, just simply click on sign up. If you don't have an account, just click on sign up. You can enter your email, enter it again, your password, what you want to be called by, your birth date, some personal information, sign up. Don't forget to check that. Or you could simply just sign up with Facebook or Google. Now, once you're actually on Spotify, you can go through here and start getting some ideas. I'll go ahead and tell you, we're going to be dealing with playlists. If you wanted to listen to something, just click on it or simply play. Click on this button here and you can play it this way. Hey, if you're liking any of this, do me a favor, like the video, and in the comments, put a heart emoji or a smiley face emoji. And if you don't like it, you can always put like a sad face emoji. But I like smileys. On this well-kept secret, on this site that seems to be a well-kept secret, what we're going to do is I'll show you how to sign in just a second, how to sign up. It's a little bit difficult, so you want to stay here with me. Check this out. Music curators get paid to listen to music. Simply listen to music and bank, guys. Seriously. All right, here we go. There are many platforms that exist out there. So basically, you're helping them. Wouldn't it be easier to have a tool that enables you to easier review music on the go, get rewards? You're going to be able to get rewarded, let me tell you, because curators can earn up to £800 a month using our submission tool. Imagine having a supplementary income along besides your day job. Nice. Now, if you're like me, how to get the pounds to dollar signs, let's do it. So basically, if you have 800 pounds, then that's over $1,000. Now, I like to be realistic, which is why I went ahead and made, the video, listen to Spotify music and earn $246. That's because let's just say 200 pounds would give you $270. And that's like on the lower end. So that's just a really good example. So that's why I made it, because I wanted it to be realistic. Don't worry though, anyone can do this. It's simply listening to music and getting jiggy with it, okay? Now, let's go to the site itself, musicgateway.com. All right, now let's sign up. Now you just simply scroll down to where I was and click on apply now. Okay, you're gonna enter your email address, your creator name, where you live, Spotify playlist, YouTube channel. In this case, we're going to do Spotify. Link the playlist channel station here. Link your playlist here. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. How many submissions do you receive roughly each week? Now, this is up to you how much you want to work, how much you want to listen to music, and how many playlists that you actually want to submit. I mean, you could do 1,000 if you want to, but in my case, since I just said, the 246, so let's just do 200, just say you're starting off. And I would check all of these. Okay, and then right here, just click no. We don't care about that. You know what I'm saying? And then click submit. Then it's also going to ask you for like a music gateway member, ask you a few more questions, and then make sure to choose the music gateway member. All right. And then you're well on your way to making a playlist and listen to some music and making some money. So now you just need to create your playlist. When filling out your application, you saw that people were liking, they had hip hop, they had pop, they had dance. So if you were to go up here, do search, let's do hip hop. And look at all of this over here. Click on see all. We got a ton of hip hop music. You go over here, create playlist, hip hop. Okay, cut out all of that, but I'm going to show where I messed up. As I'm adding, I noticed that I forgot to put it, so I wanted to show you in case you do the same thing. Just right click over here, and then you can do edit details, and instead of my playlist number 5, you could put hip hop genre. Save. Okay, but you can go through here and let it can all be playing, and just keep just add, oh my gosh, thousands upon thousands upon thousands upon thousands. If you just keep on going, you can see all artists. You can keep going. Like if I just wanted to go into Dr. Dre, I just wanted to go into all that, then you can keep adding and keep adding and keep adding. So once you have that, you have your playlist. You can click on your playlist, and then with these 3 dots, if you do share, copy the link, and then like right here, and then like right here, paste. That's it, guys. Then you're off to the races, and this is your potential of what you can make. This is why I showed you only 200, because look what you can make. So the earnings can be whatever you want them to be, depending on how much that you want to listen to music and make your playlists. If you're really a music person, this is going to be up your alley. Pretty fun making money idea, huh? Listen to music, yeah. But you know what? I got a better idea. I told you I had a bonus. Do I have a bonus for you? Okay. You know what? Normally I would say, but to just do away with that it's not that great. But you know what? I got a better idea. I listen to music all the time. I listen to Spotify. I have like 1 playlist. Yeah. I listen to all the time. And you know it. But I can still listen to that in the background and still make some money, because it's not going to give me the money that I want to be coming in all the time. But you know what? Just hit play, listen to it in the background, and do that as a little side hustle. Because if you do what I do, then that's passive income. Like the kind of income you can totally quit your 9 to 5. I got laid off. I'm a single mom, and I started doing this as a side hustle, and now it's 4 years and I am still doing it. Yeah. I don't have to be punching a clock. I don't have to do anything like that. I literally can be laying out in my backyard and money coming in. I could go on vacation, take my laptop with me, and I could work for a couple hours on vacation, or decide to go on vacation, or take a trip somewhere, or just go to the city across the hall, the thingy down ways. And I can be free, guys, because I got money coming in when I'm not working on my business. Now, this is the way to do it. And I'm here to be honest and to tell you. Now, again, I'm being honest. I'm not going to say that it's easy. I always use pushing a button. People always just think they can just push a button and money's going to come flowing. It doesn't work like that. But if you listen to me, I can help you. And if you're willing to put in the work, then it is actually easy to do. All you have to do is start. You have to start, guys. It's the first link in the bio. And it is the best way to start. And not only have I helped tons of people start off and that make 6 figures now with the link in the bio, so I push the button. So just do the same thing, and I can help you. If you have any questions, I am here. It's what I'm here for. I love you guys. So do that. And if you liked this video, you know what to do. You can like it, you can smash the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, all that good stuff, because it helps me, helps the algorithm, la 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 la. But you know what? If you did like this video, I'm going to go ahead and the next video up. I did another video about listening to music and making money online. I'm going to go ahead and put that up, and I'll see you in it, because I'm in it, the video.